In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Outlook Calendar. To get started, open Airtable and prepare the table that contains your calendar event details. This is the foundation of the automation, so take a moment to make sure your records are organized clearly. Each row should represent a single event, and the information you want to send to Outlook should already be available in the table. Keeping your table clean and consistent will make the rest of the setup much smoother. Next, make sure your Airtable records include date and time fields. This is especially important because Outlook Calendar needs accurate scheduling information in order to create events correctly. If your dates or times are stored as plain text instead of proper Airtable date fields, the automation may not recognize them as valid event data. So before moving forward, double check that those fields are formatted correctly and that the values look complete and usable. Once your Airtable table is ready, open an automation tool that supports Outlook Calendar. This tool will act as the bridge between Airtable and Microsoft Outlook, allowing information from your table to automatically create calendar events. As you begin the setup, you'll typically be asked to choose a trigger and an action. In this case, Airtable will be the source of the data, and Outlook Calendar will be the destination. From there, connect Airtable by selecting the correct base and table as your data source. This step tells the automation exactly where to pull event information from. Be careful to choose the right table, especially if your base contains multiple tables with similar names. A quick review here can save time later. After that, connect Outlook Calendar by signing in to Microsoft Outlook and choosing the calendar where you want events to appear. If you manage more than one calendar, make sure you select the correct one so your test and future events go to the right place. Now it's time to map the event details. Match your Airtable fields to the corresponding Outlook event fields, including the event title, date, time, and description. This is where the structure of your Airtable table really matters. Clear field names make mapping easier and help reduce mistakes. Take your time during this part because the quality of your sync depends on how accurately these fields are matched. Once everything is mapped, create a test event in Outlook Calendar. This lets you confirm that the title, date, time, and description are all appearing the way you expect. If something looks off, go back and adjust the mapping before you continue. When the test looks good, turn on the sync to activate the automation. From that point forward, your Airtable records can begin flowing into Outlook Calendar automatically.